In this video, I'll introduce you to the common data environment. In future videos, I'll show you how to use the common data environment practically, how to complete tasks such as uploading files, naming files, setting files up collaboratively to BIM360. This will just be an introduction to the environment. For all the World Skills competitions and also for the courses at New College Lanarkshire, we've adopted BIM360 Docs as the default common data environment. So in BIM360 here we can see the N-Clan hub that I have access to and all the various projects also that I can see. And for this example, I'll use the World Skills National Final 2019 project. Up in the top left we can see beside where it says Document Management and the 9 little grid. We can click on Project Home and it's asking me just to sign in again. One of the things you could do here is, if we start to look at security, then don't allow the software to retain your password information. You can also go a little bit further into security and accept 2 forms of signing in, where we also have to accept an email or type in a code. So Project Home shows us the address of the site, also shows us the weather of the site. We can see a whole bunch of project issues that have already been raised. If we go straight to Document Management, then we'll see all of the folders that we have access to. Now I'll see quite a lot of folders. When you log into it, you should only really see your folder. So I can see within project files, National Final Competition. So you should only really see competitor 1 or 2, whatever your number is. In this case, I'll use this folder at the bottom, your state. So that's just the state that we would have within BIM360. So within there, I can see a whole bunch of other folders. So I've got architectural tasks, structural tasks, published and shared. Within structural tasks, I can see a little blue triangle telling me there's something else within that. That's probably a structural work in progress folder. Within shared, I also have another folder, but within architectural tasks, I don't. So I would expect to see within architectural tasks, I would expect to see an architectural work in progress folder. So what we have here, there's structural and structural work in progress. The work in progress folder within shared is actually in the wrong place. I'm just going to say move folder, so I can select that and say move folder, and I want to move it to the architectural tasks folder. So this becomes my architectural work in progress folder. So again, this is the type of thing you may be asked to do: creating folders, moving folders, renaming folders, so on. So again, within competitor 1 this time, day 1, there's architectural work in progress. I can see a file that's within that. There's the description of it. We can see how that's been named to 19650 standards, WS UK 19, K-Point, which is the originator, Volume 1, all levels, M3, a 3D model, architectural, 0001, the description is architectural model. So let's take that, highlight it, and this time we'll say copy rather than move, and we'll copy it to the archive folder. And we can also see here an upload files button. If I select that, for any files that I would like to upload without collaborating to here, then I'll go and find the file. So this could be, for example, your clash report. In this case, I'll just upload another Revit file. Immediately after the name of a file, we can see 3 little dots. Not too dissimilar to a browse button. It just shows that there's another window will appear if I click on that. And in this case, one of the options that we have is download source file. And if I choose download source file, then it automatically downloads that file to my downloads folder. And there we can see it's been downloaded to my local drive on my computer. So we can download files and we can upload files. And if we look then at archive, we can again choose the 3 little dots and choose this time rename. and I'll add NCL to that. So archive NCL, New College, Lanarkshire.